Wonderful, me ma wakwa ba edenchi akese soronko ema wa Asempa 94.7 eso. Sabre edu sabre dia na chese eye kanawu sanse ensemfo eye hi. Enchi akese akoma owura kapito ba bia wo bia no onyankopon wonto nkwadam emfa ema wo. Na yetiachire ye bodwuma no so dia ma wo yedim se wo ba onya ye kwa. Kofi ba bia wo bia no mechia wo. Media ne kwa me obo ade de man na building na de me na enkomo bia wo ho no. Me pese me tifri hotel. Na nu na me busa pa kwasi se banks ndi enya gu na wie de be keka bom ya keka bom na boys and girls no a ye yi omadi no omo wai o ga so me busa sa question no it say na ayam adwendwen e de say all of a sudden be ma yedim so ye adwuma o bank or buy yedim so ye adwuma o bank I want to home na what counter chief sorry how many should I pay you wait let me check your check it's a counter check can bro for sa that crown pa obekwa adwuma se da bi e ma adwuma mu ha biem e dan say o bank no a wo ye mu adwuma no empanimfo aye sika basa tiemiye ge na oteka share mu wani sika ni mi o security man na o bank no sika no wani bi o sa papa ba ko no to no to check books checks man no wani bi o empanimfo bia omo de omo se bakra ma bank ni mu bi no omo di sika bi ntino bank ni nyina yegu no ene yesesa nkwada nyina ekwagu fie so many of them na no me before kada se me de kwa boso kan akwa no hese de ho drive no a mi ntwi motor so mi da kwa no wo bre ana me masa de wo ye di ade motor fe no wasu atwi no se ai wo ye djuma wo bank bi na bank ni gu ye no otifie kwam entini se wakoto kada na se jaya djuma yi ye se abeku nipa e dey say kwadi ko long distance en gogoku mi pa gosi ka ba kura no osia no wo de ahometia ada ni okada driver abra onye okada driver ye du awu do menya me ko ha kwadi me to gotanim enti mi bisa sa boys and girls no banks ni gu ye pamu wo no o ma fa hefa where are they eza se dudu na anya omo fault na bank ni gu ye they make out here anya omo their mistakes it's not by their doings that the banks went bankrupt that the banks were not performing and then we have to sack the banks we have to kill the banks. Some boys no omo hefa because before you don't put free bank one near association of unemployed graduates backlash be there and I before nje cause a backlash na ye just a more water that I won't call na backlash no I know that no oh my tisa before that backlash wo yo backlash be university for me or PTP egu ha omunya adwuma nyeye ansa na banks ni begu menkasa aban pese okini banks amani nkini yes ade na we aban wa ade papa se banks ya edi nipa be ko se yem na wagu no na wakeka bia bom wa ade pa na me question me buza ne se sa boys no and girls no where are they omo fa hefa ya pa mo he na am say deputy minister of employment and labor relations what in Zambia to ya the entire asebo atwami masako fa ba no papa no de kyerese yenya subo ayebo ne yenya bobo ayedie eni osunu da re ene ja adwo aye twa na fie yi esan se sankrofo ni nyina no omanya dwuma aye eti muna mo fie o muna mo tie unu bia no oka ho no wanya dwuma ye oyiri bia no oka ho no wanya bi adwuma ya na o papa bia no oka ho no wanya adwuma ya na owura bright rakum prope ebe so kire se adwuma ba a mu nyina nya adwuma ye na adwuma na efiri fa na ba ya tese aban na ngasa kura akreti nyuma e bia na owo ya saki free bank unya adwuma nya ye na wonti asem da be dia meka o se employment minister say oma kreti adwuma 343,458 etunya binya ya for application na sikrom ezan se akomni nyina ya na so kwasie da kom de ya too much kwasie da wia atoba no de efofo ni nyina kwasore omo maare no ekom de wa bre papa etimi se bra me bre adwuma me yiri no ho nyina kwasie da kom nti se na be ya kwasie da se toba na efo na ma betu akoto de ne boadi ni biadi Trouble na yɛfunu nyina kwa se yes maame no kwa sɔre kwa se da wanya adwuma eti sɛ dɔkron ko na osika bɛso a ɛkɔm betumi ade ho a ade Monday papa di kyerɛ sɛ ɔma bia nnwuma 343,458 new jobs ɛna yɛ kreti MDS na yɛ sɛ adwuma no ministries departments any agencies sa period ya yi mu free adwuma no ɔde kyerɛ sɛ sa period no ɛna ɔmo so ekreti sɛ adwuma no saa na papa bɛ so ɔkyerɛ sa ba so kan yie pa dia sa nyima we akɔ so after 2017 2018 meboa na me de me problem nyina ne sɛ sa banks ya akrofo di sika ye gu bi ne akeka bi bom yi na afi bia mo nya audit ana oh yeah isamu de munni de mbese bi bisa de say sa banks no tama sika no ayira no sika no ko no ye di sika no ye di no na afibia no omo ye audit ya na audit report na wa he ani sa de sa ka auditors na sa banks no audit no e se jeri omo nso e ja say ko bank mu ko ye dwuma na bank loans bi ye je ye hu ba bi loans na fa na still ah montimi to one na mo sa ko say bank ni begu a na mo fa wi quick study o fa wi pa ko si adi na fa wi kwa me board dia na to se mo so mo ya bufuo onyame obetua mo kra. What do you do auditing? Mo de me say the mass papa pa square obi anim say mempe na auditing dey tin ye ye se bibi to chima ye be hunu ko se be boa na ka nko de be board be 5,000 ye auditing say ye be hu say bibi enko ya ya tretre no. So all these years all the auditing they were doing, all the auditors they paid to audit the banks, what were they doing? To the extent say sikapudu pa eti ko di obako for me no opetepete no ko wadi afei bank nya sika fam obra mo ye first audit ma hu say the loan be papa bi amaye mo ye audit no ma hu say obi abaji church loan amaye mo ye audit no ma hu say obi aji sika won fa kwa adwuma on fake companies and aji sika ni nyina ma hu to the ya tra ho bank gu ye how many just free education so at the adwuma ni bia beka ho. Papa you say most of the bankers have found themselves in the education sector. He be a teacher for what the because out here stand up person train. That is the picture he is painting for us. One of my gather for I'm watching home. Is that the picture? Say adwuma we nyina ba ama mo eyi mo di free banks no o mo nya adwuma ya na medical studio say banks na ye good no ye kan bi bom no me anya me problem me ni economics sa roba umiamo ne we mo na ma tua economics I say no bank we mani tren wi ase cha e di ba wu me ti ase pa na mum abeti na krom ha de sa ade asai a ye so no da ade a protete. What were the auditors doing? All those banks, mention them. Mention the banks and the savings and loans. What were the auditors doing? Kromo open as a wadumam. Na bi nkoye. Na hu na kapani afa hotan. Oba ne atrentre ensa. Ni amaudi chuka wosekuni. Mind your business. And adwuma na gunu. Ghana pay. Adwuma bia bekomu bia no we want to say padwuma ni ye pa na obeda ne watamfo e wadwuma mu ho ne ye maudi akese we want to say me hwema corruption koso ya not transfer. It is only in Ghana. You know, as a corruption is part of us. If you go into an industry or a company and you don't want to buy into the corruption, meaning when you that, so when you come here, then you have to go because you can't stay. Sports minister, maybe that person I Tomao. Oh, about you chinching cry neto. Almost Toma New no, almost out your free no, Papa no, and the Zika got diapers and it's chinga. I got a force to buy. Your best I go see that bang. Sabi, your baby was up plafon, I go see that bang. Ya tratra, I know, come on, never told the Tessidian Cassia, or the tin, or the firms, I can see, why firm, why brokers, why chromius, crankcase, chroncos, and guasa, as you chateau. And the banks in Iguni, huh? Banks in Egunu, Yahoo. e go see da ben say you go say the likes of the engineer they didn't know and yema enko yie and banks no you starting no 2017 2018 they say 2019 you got 2020 after December so far nipa he and I concern our banks na egu ye no and nipa do say ko na asem bia our banks na egu ye no you be come trust agu some of the banks have been dissolved, some has been merged. Bro, focus here and say, who and Quasia Brofosa, Niakani, a court. Nessicano, fly in a court, will be a chia, will be a no be a I think how this Cafan China, they go to the extent of killing people for corruption. That is why China is like that. The Article International Yabanebe. Christopher Medical School, University of Ghana, business school over here, or two application by a bank, and on your bank. She said, "Come be cross over. I want to focus on my career. Well, I'm married by my man, and now I also got to fear. Where in a D? I feel no want to trade there. Muda must be Juma ba, yet 343,458. Yes, Yaba. I face free education, so Edibiaba. As say, if people are teachers near the other, people school feeding, and then Yamaniama, son of so much saying. But is that the picture? Minister, Mamika said, Minchao. Yadi assassin on your war. The rate of unemployment in Ghana, no, it is alarming. The rate of unemployment in this country, no, it is very, very alarming. And I cannot blame MPP. I cannot blame NDC either. It has been like that. Now, Obiazu Timinye, from Kubia, and as a system. That's the kind of leaders you want in Ghana. Leaders be able to be and make impact. Was a same BB, but when I said the same status quo now, whereby now, Wakoya did that, was a son of Crawford for how, no, Akoya, Bakuya, the abundance and very saying. Why not cobbles one? Now, never knows about number one, and you are not going to be touched. You call your no jacketia. No jacketia. I'm telling you. No, no, something practical. Be a policy. Be a say, yeah, this the boss a Juma any can anymore. And Tafrone Brofo will be about Tafreho and the Brofo. I have not seen the jobs myself, but and the core woman said it is still alarming. And confor ye Juma 4 hour Kromha will be to be a security day and night, but so many 300 cities. Let me say, Udiopa, Musikrom, Namogobisa, 3 million, ni play the man no. As I say, a Juma be any ho to Benesa. Every 25. Now, total call the question money as saying. Total not some feel about it. A back and a security, you want to saying. What might be anyone unemployment in war, and even in America, there are people who are not who are unemployed. But the case in Ghana is very, very alarming.